Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are attempting to make a lemon caper and butter sauce with this salmon. As you can tell from the first preview, the consistency did not turn out exactly how I want it, but it did not taste gritty at all. But here we are, we're trying things. My videos are not about perfection. My videos are about me trying and attempting and doing things that I think are fun and entertaining to others. And in this video, we are attempting and trying a new recipe because I can't just keep eating chicken every day. So basically, I soaked my salmon and I also soaked my shrimp. I like to do that to give it more flavor. And really, the thing that takes the longest here are the potatoes. So I basically took all of the skins off the potatoes. I put it in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you feel like it needs to be there longer, definitely do that. The way that I dressed my potatoes, I basically put some olive oil, some kosher salt, some chipotle barbecue seasoning from Buffalo Wild Wings, black pepper. Yes, that container is empty, but baby, I had to fill it up and that's what I did. I didn't really even flip the potatoes, but if you feel like you need to flip the potatoes to kind of have an even crisp, go for it. All right, so here's where it gets a little interesting, okay? It gets a little saucy. Yes, yes, yes. That's very, very punny, I know. But I don't like to use heavy cream in my recipes anymore. I find that it always gives me a stomach ache. I love using heavy cream and when I make like a shrimp and spinach pasta, but I'm trying to get out of that because it does make my stomach hurt the next day. So here I use some lactose-free milk, and as you can see, the consistency is not going to have that creaminess. So I tried to add some cornstarch and it didn't work out the way that I wanted. I don't know if it was because I needed to leave it on longer. I don't know if it needed to be hotter or maybe it was too hot, but it definitely still tastes really good. So I just went with it and ate it. For my salmon, I just added the same seasonings, the black and season. I also forgot to add some black pepper. And I added a little lemon citrus seasoning. It's like from Trader Joe's, the Cuban spice, I believe. I'm not sure if that's actually the right name for it, but it's like a little citrusy. But I really didn't add too much salt because the soy sauce is already salty enough. Here I kind of had to work quickly because the salmon and the shrimp is going to cook very quickly. So I had to work really fast and add the sauce. Maybe this is where it went a little bit wrong, where I added the sauce to this, but I wanted to cook it in the sauce. And that's where it became a little more gritty looking because of the flavors, and maybe it was too hot. I have no idea. But the point is, I tried a new recipe and I thought it tastes great. It does not look the way that I want it to look, but it tastes good. In the future, maybe I'll add flour instead. Maybe I'll add more cornstarch. I'm not really sure. But if you have any suggestions, go ahead and put it in the comments. I'm down to listen and see what things I could try differently. And here are the final results. And once again, thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's go ahead and keep trying new recipes and trying new things this year. Bye.